So today's topic is forearm, the posterior compartment of muscles of forearm. Muscles of the lateral brachioradialis. So this is the picture of brachioradialis. Starts from the lower end of the humerus and it attaches on the radius bone of the lateral bone of the forearm. So it is called brachioradialis muscle. So brachioradialis originate from the lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus and it is inserted on the styloid process of radius. It flexes forearm at the elbow joint, rotates the forearm to the mid-prone position at the elbow joint. Nerve supply is radial. Next muscle is extensor carpi radialis longus. As the name shows, it causes extension at the carpal bone and radial bone, and it is a longus means. So this is the beautiful picture of extensor carpi radialis longus. This is extensor carpi radialis longus. It starts from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it ends at the carpal bone. It originates from the lateral supracondylar ridge and the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the posterior surface of the base of second metacarpal. It extends an abduct hand at wrist joint. Its nerve supply is radial nerve. For the convenience, we can say that all the muscles of the extensor compartment are innervated by radial nerve except the medial part of the back of the hand or the extensor compartment of the. So muscles of the posterior facial compartment, extensor carpi radialis because it is smaller as compared to the extensor carpi radialis longus muscle. We can see this is the extensor carpi radialis brevis muscle. It originated from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the posterior surface of the base of third metacarpal bone. जो longest था वो second metacarpal bone पे attach हुआ था, insert हुआ था और brevis जो है वो कहाँ हुआ? At the base of the third metacarpal bone. The action is it extend and abduct the hand at the wrist joint and again its nerve supply is deep branch of. Next muscle is extensor digitorum means this muscle extend the digit. So this is the picture of extensor digitorum. You can see it starts from the lateral supracondylar ridge or the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it extends up to the digit. So it originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the middle and distal phalanges of the medial forefingers means except the thumb it attaches on the middle and the distal phalanges of the medial forefinger यानी फोर फिंगर्स को के मिडिल और डिस्टल phalanges पे ये जाके इंसर्ट होता है. It extend fingers in hand. Nerve supply is deep branch of radial nerve. Muscle is extensor digiti minimi means this muscle extend the small digit आपकी छोटी उंगली है minimi means small जो छोटी finger है आपकी. So you can see this is extensor digiti minimi. This is extensor digiti. This is thumb and this one is the little digit. It originates again from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the extensor expansion of. It extends the metacarpophalangeal joint of little finger means it extends the whole little finger digit, whole digit of any पूरी लिटिल फिंगर को एक्सटेंड करती है। नर्व सप्लाई इज डीप ब्रांच ऑफ रेडियल नर्व। Next muscle is extensor carpi ulnaris, means it extends the carpal bones or the carpal side at the ulnar side at the median. This is the picture of extensor carpi ulnaris. This is the ulnar side because ulnar bone is there and means medial side, and this is the lateral side of the forearm. So this is extensor carpi ulnaris. It originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the base of the fifth metacarpal. Action: it extends and adducts the hand at wrist joint, and nerve supply is again the deep branch of radial nerve. Anconius. So this is anconius tonsil. It originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus and it is inserted on the lateral surface of olecranon process of ulna. You know the ulna has two processes, olecranon and the coronoid. So it is inserted, anconius is inserted on the lateral aspect of the olecranon process of ulna. Action: it extends the elbow joint and nerve. Next muscle is supination. It helps in supination. So this is the picture of supinator muscle. This is supinator muscle. It originates from the lateral epicondyle of the humerus, annular ligament of the proximal radioulnar joint, and the ulna. Sorry. It is inserted on the neck and shaft of the radius. As the name shows, it causes supination of the forearm at the superior and inferior radioulnar joint. Nerve supply is the branch of. Next muscle is abductor pollicis longus, means it causes abduction. Pollicis किसे कहते हैं? Thumb को. Longus means it. So this is the picture of abductor pollicis longus. This is the thumb. It originates from the posterior surface of the shafts of radius and ulna, and it is inserted on the base of the first metacarpal bone. Action is it abducts and extends the thumb, and its nerve supply is the branch of. Next muscle is extensor pollicis brevis, means it causes extension of the thumb. And why it is called brevis? Because it is smaller as compared to the abductor pollicis longus. So this is abductor pollicis longus and this is extensor pollicis brevis. It originates from the posterior surface of the shaft of the radius and it is inserted on the base of the proximal phalanx of. Action: it extends at metacarpophalangeal joint of the thumb and its nerve supply is. Next muscle is extensor pollicis longus. As the name shows, it causes extension of thumb. And why it is called longus? Because it is longer as compared to the extensor pollicis. So this is the picture of extensor pollicis longus muscle. It originates from the posterior surface of the shaft of the ulna and it is inserted on the base of the distal phalanx. वहाँ जो brevis था वो कहाँ था? Proximal phalanx लगा था. ये कहाँ है? Distal phalanx of the thumb. Distal phalanx का मतलब है कि आपकी तकरीबन टिप ऑफ द थंब, जो बिल्कुल टिप है थंब की, उसके बेस पर. It extends distal phalanx of the thumb and its nerve supply is deep branch of. Next muscle is extensor indicis, means it extends the index finger. So this is the picture of extensor indicis. You can see this is the index finger. From the posterior surface of the shaft of the ulna and it is inserted on the extensor expansion of index. It extends at the metacarpophalangeal joint of the index finger. It means it extends the index finger at metacarpophalangeal joint, and its nerve supply is deep branch of